Hello students, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today I am going to the course Solid State Physics. You know that matter consists of solid, liquid, gaseous states. We have crystalline state of solid and non-crystalline solids. In crystalline state of solids, we have a regular and periodic arrangement of atoms. We have single crystals and polycrystalline and example diamond, quartz, mica. In non-crystalline solids, they are known as amorphous, the random arrangement of atoms or molecules, short-range order, and the examples glass, plastic, rubbers. Okay. Crystal lattice and translation vectors. An arrangement of infinite number of imaginary points in three-dimensional space with each point having identical surrounding is known as point lattice or space lattice. It is very important what is meant by point lattice and space lattice. Translation operator, that is T is equal to N1A plus N2B plus N3C, where N1, N2, N3 are arbitrary integers. A, B, C are fundamental translation vectors. Okay. Let R be a point and R prime is in any another point with respect to arbitrary origin, and R prime is equal to R plus T is equal to R plus N1A plus N2B plus N3C. Translation vectors A, B, C are called crystal axis basis vectors. The translation vectors containing integral coefficients, that is called primitive translation vectors. Translation operation contains non-integral coefficients, that is called non-primitive translation vectors. Next topic, that is unit cell. What do you mean by unit cell? It is a building block of complete lattice. Smallest unit of the lattice on continuous repetition generates a complete lattice. Okay. The effective number of lattice points in a primitive cell is 1. It is very important. Effective number of lattice points in a primitive unit cell is 1. What do you mean by a Wigner seed cell? Connect a given lattice point to all nearby lattice points. Draw normals at the midpoints of lines connecting the lattice points. That is how we get a Wigner seed cells. That is, the Wigner seed cells is got by we connect the lattice points by the line. So this is the lattice point. We connect the lattice points by lines and draw normals to the midpoint of the lattice. The midpoint of the lines, that is, we draw a normal like this here. Like this we get a unit cell, that is Wigner seed cell. Okay. Volume of a primitive cell having A, B and C as fundamental translation vectors. V is equal to modulus of A dot B cross C. So it is very important. The volume of a primitive cell, A dot B cross C modulus. What is meant by basis? An atom or a group of atoms must be placed on each lattice point in a regular fashion. Such an atom or a group of atoms is called basis. The structure unit for complete crystal structure is called basis. The space lattice plus basis equal to crystal lattice. That is, crystal lattice is the sum of lattice plus basis. Basis, you know that this part is basis, will give you a crystal lattice. Next we go to symmetry operation. Crystal remains invariant under the symmetry operation. We have symmetry operations, that is translation, rotation, reflection and inversion. In translation, R prime is equal to R plus T, where R is a lattice point, R prime is another lattice point, T is the translation vector. In translation, we get a lattice point by adding a translation vector to another lattice point. Okay. Rotation. Rotation in which n theta is equal to 2 pi, where n is equal to multiplicity of rotation axis. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 only rotation is exist. When multiplicity is equal to n, we are called them as n-fold rotations. Okay, if n is equal to 2, the rotation is known as two-fold rotation. Okay, you know that 2 pi means 360. If n is equal to 2, theta is equal to 180, like that. The 2D square lattice in which we have 4-fold rotational symmetry. 5-fold rotation is not compatible. It does not exist. It is very important. 5-fold rotation is not compatible. Reflection. Reflection symmetry when there exists a plane in the lattice which divides it into two identical halves which are mirror images of each other. That is a plane which cuts the lattice points with a like a mirror image. Okay, that is called reflection symmetry. Inversion. Inversion in which a point operation are related to the lattice point and minus are related to the same lattice point exists means we have an inversion operation there. Lattice possesses a center of inversion. It is represented by one bar. Additional symmetry operation also exists, that is rotation inversion operation, that is the combination of these four. Next we are going to the point groups and space groups. Rotation, reflection and inversion are point operations and their combinations give symmetry elements. The group of such symmetry operations at a point is called point group. We have total 32 point groups in 3-dimensional lattice. Crystals are classified on their symmetry lattice consistent with the point group operation. Such lattices are known as Bravais lattice. It is very important. Bravais lattice is important. Type of lattices. We have point groups in 2 dimensions, that is 10, and point of groups, that is 3 dimensions, that is 32. In 3-dimensional lattice, we have, you know that ABC are the crystallographic axis, alpha, beta, gamma are angles. The lengths ABC and alpha, beta, gamma are collectively known as lattice parameters. This notations which comes in later classes, so you must note these, that is ABC and alpha, beta, gamma are lattice parameters or lattice constant. The crystal systems and Bravais lattice in 3-dimensional. It is very important. And the cubic system lattice parameter and examples. You should by heart this, that is cubic, that is A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Examples copper, Ag, Fe, NaCl. Tetragonal A is equal to B naught is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Example TiO2. Orthorhombic A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha is equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Example gallium Fe3C. Rhombohedral A equal to B equal to C, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. Example AsBi. Hexagonal A equal to B not equal to C, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Alpha equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 120 degree. Example magnesium and zinc. Monoclinic, that is A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, not equal to beta. CaSO4 dot to H2O. Triclinic A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. K2Cr2O7 is the answer. The topic is lattice directions and planes. To find the angle between two crystallographic directions, that is crystallographic directions is represented by the square bracket HKL and H prime K prime L prime is given by cos theta is equal to H prime plus K prime plus L prime divided by H square plus K square plus L square all power half into H prime square plus K prime square plus L prime square all power half. The indices of planes are introduced by Miller and it is known as Miller indices. How to find the Miller indices, that is steps for finding Miller indices. Find intercepts of the plane on the crystallographic axis. Take reciprocal of these intercepts. Remove fractions and closes numbers into parentheses. So, consider the problem, that is intercepts are 1, 2, 1. Reciprocals. How to find reciprocal, that is 1, 1 by 2, 1. Simplification, we multiplied with the 2, that is 2, 1, 2. This is the middle indices of the plane 2, 1, 2. It is represented without commas into and inside a parenthesis. If the plane parallel to the above plane or the middle indices of parallel planes are same. The middle indices are same for parallel planes. If a plane intercept has negative and put bar on middle indices, that is 1 bar, like that. Family of planes represented by the braces 100, in which it includes 100, 010, 001, 1 bar 00, 01 bar 0, 001 bar planes. What do you mean by an interplanar spacing? Interplanar spacing is the normal distance between a first plane to an adjacent plane and equal to 1 by under root h square by a square plus k square by b square plus l square by c square, where h, k, l are the middle indices, a, b, c are the length of intercepts. So thank you for watching.